Let me ask you something real quick. If the Ford F-150 is so reliable, why do I see some of them come into shop at 300,000 miles and others barely make it past 120,000 before the engine gives up? Same badge, same name, completely different outcome. Here's the truth most people won't tell you. The Ford F-150 didn't become reliable by accident, but it also didn't stay perfect every year. Some model years are absolute tanks. Others are rolling repair bills with cup holders. Today, I'm breaking down the best Ford F-150 years to buy used, the most reliable model years, and just as important, the worst years you should avoid at all costs. No fanboy talk, no dealership fluff, just what actually survives in the real world, based on repairs I've done, failures I've seen, and what owners wish they knew before buying. If you're shopping for a used F-150, this video could save you thousands of dollars and years of headaches. So let's break this down generation by generation, starting with the older trucks that refuse to die. Number 1. 1997 to 2003 Ford F-150. The 1997 model year marks a substantial change to the F-Series range of trucks and brought the 10th generation of this all-American pickup truck. This generation was also a significant departure in styling and a new chassis design underneath. In addition, the 10th generation brought the modern F-Series lineup that we all know and love, as Ford split the series into two vehicle families. With that said, the 10th F-150 generation had some of the most reliable model years. Most notably, the 2003 F-150 is one of the most legendary model years, thanks to its top-notch power and performance. Up to this day, the 2003 model year remains one of the highest-rated trucks by KBB and received a Seal of Pretty Good award from CarComplaints.com. Another noteworthy model year from this generation is the 2001 Ford F-150. Despite being 2 decades old, this model features timeless designs that still look good up to this day. Consumer Reports rated the 2001 F-150 with a reliability score of 3.0 out of 5.0 and an owner satisfaction rating of 4.0 out of 5.0. It also received the Pretty Good seal of approval from CarComplaints.com. Number 2. 2009 to 2014 Ford F-150. Thankfully, the 12th generation of the F-150 was much better with the solid addition of the 2009 year, which was a redesigned model. The 2009 version also marked the year when Ford decided to ditch the V6 option for its trucks and instead provided two more powerful V8 powertrains, 4.6-liter and 5.4-liter engines. This was also a year when Ford introduced the new Platinum trim with upscale interiors and more luxurious features. Unfortunately, the following year was slightly problematic for Ford's pickup. The 2010 Ford F-150 had numerous complaints about its body integrity, such as shattered rear windows and water leaks into the interior. Car Complaints gave it the Beware of the Clunker rating, with over 1,000 complaints but only one recall. Both the 2013 and 2014 models are also popular candidates for the most reliable F-150 year. It was made available with various engine choices, like the 411 horsepower 6.2-liter V8 engine and a 365 horsepower 3.5-liter EcoBoost V6 engine. The 2014 F-150 in particular received a pretty good rating from Car Complaints with over 1,000 complaints and 6 recalls. Number 3. 2015 to 2020 Ford F-150. The 2015 F-150 is another redesign year, particularly with its aluminum body that saved 700 pounds of weight for better fuel economy, with an owner-reported mileage of 18 miles per hour. Regarding reliability, the 2015 model year received a 3.0 out of 5.0 for predicted reliability and owner satisfaction as per Consumer Reports. However, keep in mind that this model had 16 recalls, which is hard to overlook. After 2017 and later, the rest of the models for this generation are widely considered reliable and great to buy as used. Specifically, the 2018 F-150 is easily one of the best and most reliable models of pickup trucks, thanks to its high durability ratings and great mileage. The 2019 model is also a standout, with excellent critics and user reviews. It's a newer truck, but received high reliability scores, so it's worth spending a bit more on a more recent vehicle. The 2020 is another worthy consideration with its 6 available engine options paired with a 10-speed automatic transmission. Number 4. 2021 to present Ford F-150. While still relatively new, the 14th generation Ford F-150s starting in 2021 are worth considering if your budget allows for a newer used truck. With the current generation of the F-150, the classic pickup truck has been updated to meet the needs of modern consumers. Ford added more infotainment features, advanced safety tech, and even a new hybrid version introduced with the 2021 model year. The cabin is also noticeably more upscale than the previous generations. For these reasons, the 2021 model is considered one of the best years for a used Ford F-150. If this video saved you money or helped you avoid a bad truck, hit the like button. Subscribe if you want real-world car advice, not sales pitch nonsense. And if you've owned an F-150, drop your year and mileage in the comments. Let's see which ones really last. See you in the next one.